Hi everyone, hope you're all having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my favorite easy lentil soup. This is so easy and it is so nutritious and packed with iron. When I'm making it, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about high iron ingredients in it, but lentils are phenomenal. They have a huge amount of iron in them. Also protein and fiber. They are such a superfood and healthy for you. So I'm going to be using lentils. I'm going to be using some spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of iron. There's also a sweet potato in there. I make this soup once a week and it lasts a few days, and sometimes I'll freeze it and just have it on hand when I'm really busy and I can't make or cook anything. I absolutely love it. You can spice it up however you want. I like to keep it a bit more bland because I do give it to my 11-month-old daughter and she absolutely loves it. She goes crazy and just is like nom nom, loves it. So that's always good. She's the one who tests my recipes and makes sure that everything's all good, everything's okay. So let's head over to the kitchen and I'm going to show you how I make my favorite easy high iron lentil soup. These are the ingredients that you're going to need for your soup. As you can see, they're all natural and amazing. So these are the lentils that I like to use, and they are small brown lentils. I prefer those over green or red. I find they just have a better consistency in the soup. And I'm going to show you the nutritional content is phenomenal. Check this out. There's 50% of iron in half a cup of lentils, 24 grams of protein in only half a cup, and 12 grams of fiber. So this is really amazing for your daily nutritional intake. I have a sweet potato, 1 sweet potato diced, 1 medium onion diced, and 2 tablespoons of paprika. You can use whatever spice, 2 boxes of vegetable broth. I like the organic one, so about 8 cups, half a can of diced tomatoes, and about 3 cups of fresh spinach.